What is up, everybody? Today we got the E30 out and we are going to be learning how to drive manual. So I'm going to do my best on describing everything and going through everything as quickly and efficiently as possible. But without further ado, my name is Ryan. This is Project Race Car. Let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing that you'll want to know is the H pattern shifter and where it reverses. So when you push in the clutch, it's going to engage and let you put it into gear. So you have first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Whenever I get into a car, I always like to feel out the reverse and all of the gears. So do that with the clutch in. If you go over and let the clutch out, then it's going to start to engage the actual drive shaft and the car will start to move. If you pull the clutch out too fast, it's going to stall. What's essentially happening is the engine is spinning and the clutch is the middleman between the engine and the drive shaft. So when we look at the actual third pedal, the clutch, once you push that in and then put it into first gear, what you want to do is you can pull out the clutch and you can actually feel the car start to engage without giving it any gas. So what we're going to want to do is give it gas and pull out the clutch at the exact same time. Now you can ride the clutch and hold it halfway in as long as you need to until the car actually starts moving. Just try in a parking lot and slowly pull out the clutch until the car starts to move forward. Also, if you guys give this video a like, we are doing a video next week on teaching Aubrey, my girlfriend, how to drive stick, and we're going to be teaching her on the E30. Okay, you ready for a second gear? What? And then we're good.
What? No, ready? We were already done.
3,
Ryan,
2.
we were already done. Oh my god, Ryan!
So what you really want to do is go to a parking lot that's, on the weekends, have the car, and really just mess around with it. If you let out the clutch too fast, then you're going to stall the car. All that means, it feels a lot worse than it is. Basically, you just have to restart the car. It happens, and everybody has to do it to learn clutch. What you want to do to start driving is press on the gas and just hold the clutch there until it fully engages. You'll feel once you start to hit a certain mile per hour that the clutch will fully engage and you'll be able to let your left foot off of the clutch. So it takes a good while of practice, but once you get it down, it's very, very easy and very simple to drive and work on. And then all that's from there, push the clutch in, hold to second gear, and then do the exact same thing of letting out the clutch and giving it gas. You can feel the car start to be unhappy if it's in the wrong gear and not getting enough speed. So what you can do is shift to different gears to get the correct engine speed. Different angle, again, we're just going to practice on starting the car. So with your left foot, push in on the clutch, put it in gear, and then you let out the clutch, find the engagement point, and then you start to move. So then you can stop, find the engagement point, and start to move. And so the real key point of actually driving stick is going to be finding that sweet spot of where the clutch engages and how much gas to give. Every clutch is going to be a little bit different and a little bit of a different sweet spot of finding where it actually engages and again how much gas that you'll want to use. So after you get this actual threshold down, you'll be able to actually drive stick relatively smoothly, and then you'll be able to move on to getting through the gears, going to second, going to third, and everything like that. So you'll be able to actually go on the main roads. It's a little bit daunting and a little bit scary getting on the roads when you don't know how to drive stick. The first time I drove stick out on the main road, I must have stalled at every single light. So it's really something that you have to learn and have to get used to, and it really comes with repetition. But then you'll be able to, every single time you shift, you'll want to put in the clutch, shift gears, and then let out the clutch and give it more gas. But I hope this short video helps you. Again, I'll be teaching drive stick in this exact car next week. Hopefully she doesn't stall, but we will see. But thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate the support on the channel. And until next time, my name is Ryan. This is Project Race Car. Have an amazing day. Peace.